Hi, I'm Brian and you're watching Someplace or Another. And today I'm in Pinckneyville, Illinois at the Threshman's event. Yeah, lots of tractors here. Let's go check this place out. I think we're in the John Deere section over here. That's an oldie. I didn't know they made them in blue. Huh. Sign says it's a factory color. Got some old-fashioned power here. Oh, it looks like
They said they beat the time, but they knocked the block over. That makes them the first place loser.
oh yeah.
Alright, that was good. Couple
That's
brothers
pretty
there.
neat. Trying to find
Here
steam
comes my
tractors.
nephew, Dustin Jensen
Alright, I
from
think we're close.
Effingham.
Okay, let's get past the porta potties. We got a Case tractor, a couple of them actually. Oh, the one says built in 1911. Very cool. Catch this tractor. Look at that one go. Haven't seen one of those running yet. That's pretty cool. Something about steam. And there's a drone up there. Look where he's powering. Technical difficulties. And away she goes. Awesome. I'm getting ready to hook up that. I don't know what they call that. Is that the veneer maker? staged it. What's going on?
You want to look at this thing? Yeah. Where's the bell to it? Here goes our winner, Lucas Russell. Stay on. That was fun. We're hoping to do that again tomorrow. You'll see what the weather brings. But enjoy the day. After the parade of power, I think about 1 o'clock, there's going to be plowing in the west field.
What that is, but that's interesting.
They'll have tractor power, they'll have steam power.
Okay, I think we're at Gas Engine Hill. I think the hill's a bit of an exaggeration, but check out the gas engines. Old Fairbank and Morris. Pretty cool. That's awesome. Do you guys know that this is actually, I guess it's like a radiator. Helps cool the engine. Old timey. Got a rocking horse over here. I think I'm too big to go for a ride. The Hillbilly Pig Wash. Cool. Yeah, so this one apparently is some sort of water pump. Look at that, putting it to good use, powering the fan. Hitting this engines are pretty cool. What is the deal with this? Alright, so this engine is powering something going on inside that building. Let's go see. I wonder what they're powering in here. Oh, it's the American Thresher Milling Company. Go check it out. Train ride. Oh. So that was an AA, in case you're curious. Pretty cool, right? I got a sawmill going, I can hear it. Okay. Can't see the blade. That old girl's on the move. From what I gather, they use mostly to power equipment and not really so much for plowing. But it might depend on the model. There we go, it's a little farther along. Oh, here. They're making veneer. That's pretty cool. Let's see what else we can find at the freshman event. There's so much traffic around here. We got a little wood carving. There's a molding. There's an old Ford. So simple to work on. They're way more fun when they're running. Like I said, John Deere. Yeah, for reference, this is how big they are. You can see them way up there. I think, yeah, the wheel's taller than me. So I wonder if these actually did plow. I mean, it's ginormous. Huh. I don't know. So you gotta watch out. This tractor is way more advanced than the others. Now, what's he pulling? Let's go walk around the back. All that size, and it's only got 20 horsepower. I bet that torque goes through the roof. It's got a little. Oh, that's the wood. I didn't see this oldie but a goodie a minute ago. You guys want to look at another Model T? Is that yes? Okay. It's kind of funny. It's kind of funny. Look at that's a full-size truck. There's your Model T. So much smaller. It's even dirt on it. What year do you think it is? Did you guess a 26? Then you guessed correctly. I think they call these models the hucksters. Yep. Putting the horses to work. Be the junkin' corner. I think I've seen that one before. That's kind of neat. A little whirly gig. And the wind's not blowing. That's different. Made in Indiana. I got some plowing demonstrations going on back here. Oop, here we go. Gotta line her up. That's the way they do it, old school style. It's pretty cool. It takes a while though because they're still down at the other end. Way down there. Not really sure what's going on back here. There's some kind of staging area maybe. Is it grandma got a beard now? That's Bulldog. Poor broom guy got the worst spot ever. There's no one around here. Wow. What's going on here? Broom making. Oh, there's the press. No demonstrations going on right now. It's not like it done today. Alright, it's pretty cool. Well, what do we got here? That's a 29 Model A Sport Coupe. Thanks for joining me on today's adventure. What'd you think? That's a pretty cool looking fair. I like it. Steam is by far my favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and have a great day. Bye. Stay tuned for more adventure to come. Subscribe, like, share, and thanks for watching. Bye.